Still having trouble with a start. Turning the key. Nothing. Everything. Turning it again. Nothing. I'm gonna hit the automatic start and see what happens. See if it'll start. Nothing yet. Hit the start again. Nothing. Do it again. Still nothing. Try again. Nothing. Try again. Car won't start. Still won't start. Try again. Nothing. Nothing. Turn the switch back on. Try again manually. Nothing. Let's try hitting the button one more time. See if it does anything. Nothing. Let's try again. Still nothing. We're 2 minutes trying to start the car. Nothing. Try again. Nothing. Okay, I'm going to hit the alarm. Unlock. Unlock. And unlock. Try the switch again. Nothing. Open my door. Close my door. Welcome to my life. Try to turn it on again. Nothing. Try to hit the automatic start here. Still nothing. It's gonna be one of those days again. Try again. Push the button. Nothing. Try again. Still nothing. Push it again. Nothing. Get off. Turn it back on. Nothing. I'm gonna get out of the car. Get out of the car. Close the door on the car. Lock the car. Unlock the car. Gotta go back in the car. Put the key back in the ignition and see if it'll start. Nothing. Press the restart. See what happens. Close my door. Nothing still. Nothing. Try again. Nothing. See the gauges. Nothing. Why won't this car start? Still nothing. Manually again, nothing. Oh look, it just started. It just started, but it wasn't even me turning it. It was the auto start because I didn't get a chance to turn it all the way. It was the auto start. I need help. This car doesn't work. Thank you.